Now I am going to discuss about differentiation in time domain property. So the differentiation in time domain property states that the differentiation of a function in time domain is equivalent to the multiplication of its Fourier transform by a factor of j omega. That is, Fourier transform of x of t will give us x of omega. Differentiation property d by dt of x of t on Fourier transform j omega into x of omega. Okay, so here I am going to do the proof. So x of t is equals to minus infinity to infinity, x of omega is equal to minus infinity to infinity x of t into e power minus j omega t dt. Okay, Fourier transform, inverse Fourier transform, that is x of t is equal to 1 by 2 pi integration minus infinity to infinity x of omega into e power j omega t dt. Okay, so now I am considering this out of the Fourier transform pair. X of omega is nothing but Fourier transform of x of t. X of t is nothing but inverse Fourier transform of x of omega, and these two are called Fourier transform pair. So till now we have discussed the properties by considering this one formula. Now I am considering this formula, and now I am doing the differentiation by taking the differentiation of x of t left hand side. We have to get the right hand side term. Okay, now do the differentiation. D by dt of x of t is equals to 1 by 2 pi d by dt of minus infinity to infinity x of omega e power j omega t d omega, j omega t d omega. One by 2 pi integration minus infinity to infinity x of omega and d by dt of e power j omega t into d omega. 1 by 2 pi integration minus infinity to infinity x of omega d by dt of e power x. Doing differentiation with respect to t, so j omega into e power j omega t into d omega. So I am writing j omega outside, so 1 by 2 pi minus infinity to infinity x of omega e power j omega t d omega. Okay, so this term is nothing but x of inverse Fourier transform of x of omega. 1 by 2 by integration minus infinity to infinity x of omega into e power j omega t d omega is nothing but f inverse of x of omega. Okay, so this one d by dt of x of t. Now bring this inverse Fourier transform this side. So I will get d by dt of x of t is equals to j omega into x of omega. This easy differentiation in time domain property. Okay. So in general, if I am having the order of the differentiation is high, here the order of the differentiation is 1. Now the order of the differentiation is changed like this, then I will have j omega power n into x of omega. Thank you.